Hello, and thank you for contacting Wave Support. I see from your clinical request that you're struggling a little bit with the comfort on these lenses. If we look at your designs, this right eye, I agree that larger diameter is probably the way to go with this corneal astigmatism. And this lens has improved in comfort, but you do have some lens edge awareness. If you look at your designs, overall these actually look pretty nice. It's probably a similar place where I would start. But if you notice when you come off this central part of the lens, you do kind of downturn into the landing zone here in the periphery. So that's the area that you want to kind of work on. And if I understand correctly, you mentioned that the superior and inferior had a little more clearance, whereas the temporal and nasal there wasn't quite as much. So you could either adjust this area in 100% quadrant, or you could go to 50% mode, and that'll help more evenly distribute this lens landing area. What I mean by that is if you go to the in the horizontal meridian, if you click up on this blue dot, a few clicks, that will actually bring up your areas there in the 3 and 9 o'clock. Just by the fact that you brought those out, those will probably help to bring down that superior and inferior lens. Make sure if you make changes, in the you have to go 50% on either side. And that'll allow this lens to get a little more clearance back here. I would try that. If you're still continuing to struggle with comfort, sometimes putting a little S factor in here with a little asphericity, sometimes that can be helpful in getting these lenses to align better. Same thing with the left lens. I would probably go to larger diameter. That'll help tuck that lens under the lid, get it more stable, and probably help it center better. Once again, going up to about a 10.5 or so, I think would be reasonable. Let Wave redesign itself. And we continue on, same thing here. You've got a pretty nicely aligned lens, but I would make sure you have enough edge clearance. Clicking up on that pink dot a little bit. And I think getting that lens a little larger and ensuring that you have an adequate edge lift will help the comfort of these lenses and the centration significantly. Well, anyways, I hope that helps you out. I wish you well, and thank you for contacting Wave Support. Have a great day.